Hello childrens, how are you all? I hope all are you fine and safe. This is your maths class as session 10 video. As in previous video, session 9, I have finished question 1 to 4 of exercise 1D. But now we are going to start question number 5 of exercise 1D. As you can see on the screen, question what is given? If family bought a plot land of length 30 meter. Okay, here is given if family bought a plot of land of length 30 meter and breadth what is given 20 meter. They built a rectangular house in one corner as shown. You can see this figure, and made a garden in the remaining part. What is the area of the garden? So what saying here? Here is given a rectangular plot. As you can see here, it is given rectangular plot. In this rectangular plot, length what is given 30 meter and breadth is given 20 meter. It is 30 meter length and this is 20 meter breadth. And they built a rectangular house. As you can see here, this is given rectangular house also. And breadth what is given of this house 20 meter and 12 meter. And asking here, and made a garden in the remaining part. As you can see, remaining part, this one green part is a garden portion. So what is the area of garden? How can do it? Firstly, we will find area of completely this one plot. Okay, area of plot, length into breadth. Then we will find area of this one house also, length into breadth, because both are given in the shape of rectangle. Okay, then after finding the area of plot and area of house, we will do minus also, area of plot minus area of house. Then lefting portion what will be? Area of garden only. Okay, then how to solve this? Let us see the solution. Here see, this one question number 5 I have written here also, as I told you. So what is given here? Length of plot what is given? You can see by the figure also. Here is given 30 meter. So firstly write the statement also. Length of plot what is given? 30 meter. And breadth what is given? This one. Breadth is given 20 meter only. So area of plot what will be? Length into breadth, because it is given in the shape of rectangle. So area of plot what will be? Length into breadth, and then do simply multiply, put the value of length and breadth. Here area of plot, length what is given? 30. So put here 30, multiply breadth is given 20 meter. Okay, and then do simply multiply 30 multiply by 20. You can do simply first is 3 2 ja 6 and 2 0 are there. So what is coming required answer? 600 square meter, because area always measure in square and unit what is given? Meter only. Okay. Similarly, we will find area of house also. Area of house what will be? As you can see here, length what is given? Length of house it is given 20 meter. You can see here. So I have written here length of house 20 meter. Then write the breadth of house. It is given breadth of house 12 meter. Okay. We have length and breadth of this plot, means this one house. So area of house what will be? Here simply do length into breadth. Length what is given of house? 20 meter, and breadth is given 12 meter. Then do simply multiply 12 multiply by 20. You can do on rough page also. It will be equal 12 to the 24 and 12 0 the 240 square meter. You can see here area of plot what is coming? Area of plot it is coming 600 square meter, and area of house it is coming 240 square meter. If we do minus both area of plot minus area of house, then what will be left? Area of garden. Okay, so left in area of garden what will be? Area of plot minus area of house. So 600 minus 240, how much left here? 360 square meter. Okay, so required answer what will be? 360 square meter. It is the area of left in garden portion. Okay, let us see next question number 6. Here see question number 6. What is given? The pictograph shows different kinds of books sold from a shop in a May. Okay, here are given different kinds of books. As you can see, fairy tales, adventure, comics, crafts and dictionary. And one circle is equal to given how many books? 12 books. So half circle will be equal to how much? 6 only, and half portion will be equal to 3 only. As you can see here, half given and half part is given, and this one will be equal to 9. Okay, so firstly we will find the number of books only. Okay, here we will find number of books. Let us see here. Fairy tales. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 circle will be equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12, 36. 36 and 6, how much will be? 42. So fairy tales books number how many coming? 42. Now adventure books 12 plus 12, 24. And comics 12 plus 3, how much will be? 15. I am writing this one side. Okay. Craft book 12 plus 9, how much will be? 21. And now dictionary, here see 12 plus 12 plus 12, how much will be? 36. 36 and 3, how much will be? 39. Okay, see here fairy tales coming 42, adventure coming 24, comics book are coming 15, craft book are coming 21, and dictionary are coming 39 books. Now we will find the answer as given here downside question also. How many dictionaries did the shop sell? How many books? Dictionary, you can see a number of dictionary books how many coming? 39. So first answer right here 39. Now which kind of books sold the most? Okay, which kind of books so selling mostly? Here you can see which one is coming more? 42 fairy tales, adventure 24, 15 comics, craft 21 and dictionary 39. So fairy tales it is coming mostly more number. So fairy tales here will be answer right here fairy tales. Okay, got it. Next, which sold more, comics or books? Okay, on crafts. So here is given which sold more, comics book or craft book. Comics how many coming? 15. It is coming comics book. And craft book how many coming? 21. Which one is greater? 21 is greater from 15. So which one sold more? It is coming 21. What is? Craft book. So first answer will be here craft. Right here craft only. Okay. And how much more? How much more? So 21 minus 15 minus this craft book minus comics book. How much left here? 6 only. Okay. So till here your exercise 1D it is finished, and your chapter number 1 also over here. Okay. So students, as I done question number 5 and 6 both, similarly you also do these question 5 and 6 and practice also both question. So today homework only will be do practice of exercise 1D properly and question number 5 and 6 in your homework copy. Got it? And in next video, as tomorrow, I will start chapter number 2. So now, thank you students. Have a nice day.